In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion account. So you can go ahead and head over to Notion.com. You can search for Notion in one of the search engines, or you can click the link in the description and it will take you to a page that is similar to this. This is the main Notion page, and I'm not going to go through every feature of Notion or the pricing in this video, as we have other resources that cover those topics. So to get started, go ahead and click Get Notion for Free in the top right-hand corner. And then it's going to take you to a sign up page. Here you can sign up with Google, Apple, a single sign-on or SSO, or your work email. So go ahead and sign up with one of these methods. We'll use the work email. And then click Continue. And then it's going to send a verification code to your email account. So you'll want to go to your email and get that code. Once you have that code, go ahead and paste it in and then click the Continue button. Okay, and then it will take us to a page where we can create a profile. So go ahead and add a photo and then put in your name and a password. And then hit the Continue button. Then it's going to ask you a couple questions about how you're using Notion. This will help personalize the experience for you and give you different template options that you can choose from that will make it easier for the kind of work that you're doing. So here we can say if we are using this for work, for personal life, or for school. I'm just going to go ahead and click on for personal life for now and hit Continue. And then it wants to know if you're going to be working with others or on your own. I'm going to be using this on my own for now, so I'll click that and hit Continue. And then it's going to ask you if there are any other subjects that you would like to choose, such as personal finance, project tracking, travel, books and media, and so forth. You can choose these if you'd like, but I'll go ahead and skip these for now. And then it will bring you into Notion. And then you can see we have our sidebar on the left-hand side. We have our main workspace in the middle. We have a toolbar or menu bar at the top. And at the top left-hand corner, you will see your name. And if you click on that, it will give you options to show you which plan you're on, where you can change your settings and so forth. But that is how you create an account inside of Notion.